Sage, and I'm here on Isla Mujeres at my favorite sunrise spot, and I'd like to share just a short reading of the day practice with you. This is what I do many mornings. I come at sunrise and greet the day. So let's begin. Coming to standing with feet hip-width apart. Bring the hands to the heart. Close your eyes and take a moment to feel. Bring yourself present, to breathe, to feel your connection with Mother Earth, with the universe, and with this beautiful ocean that you hear in the background. And then bring your awareness to your breath and your body. Aware of the inhale, aware of the exhale, allowing your breath to bring you home to yourself again and again throughout your practice, throughout your day. Our yoga practice is really simply setting the tone for our day. So setting the tone in a good way right now, in a beautiful way, in an aligned way. Aware of the inhale, aware of the exhale, coming home to you. And then as you're ready, you can release the hands, open your eyes, and inhale the arms out and up. Exhale the arms down. Following your breath, your pace, using the full length of the inhale to bring the arms up, and the full length of the exhale to bring the arms down. These are called sun breaths, so your arms are like rays of the sun beaming out from your heart. Good, let's take one more. This time we're going to hold it up. You can hold it shoulder width apart or bring the hands together and bring the hands into steeple pose, whatever works for you. You can also bring one arm down. And then we're going to come into crescent moon. Exhaling all the way over and then inhaling up. Exhaling to the other side. Inhaling up. I'm going to do it with both arms this time. Inhaling up. Exhaling to the other side. And inhaling up. Bring the hands back to the heart. Good, so let's just do a couple squats. We won't do as many as I usually do. Just to the count of 4, nice and slow. Bring your weight towards your heels. Going into a squat. Inhale up. Exhaling nice and slow. Inhale up. Do as many of these as you like. I usually do about 8 or 12 or something like that. We'll just do 4 today. Good. And then usually I take it a little faster. Do some pop-ups. This is just to get my energy and vitality flowing, my metabolism rocking. then taking the feet a little wider than hip width, toes slightly turned out, coming into a squat, and then inhaling up onto those toes and stretch over. Exhale. This time we're going to open to the side, opening to the new day, giving our spine a little twist, keeping a supple spine is the key to youthfulness and vitality. And last one, and back to center. Good, let's take a wider stance. Come into 5-pointed star. And then shifting on your left foot, I'll mirror you coming into a warrior. Looking out over those fingertips, keep the back arm as high as the front arm, shoulder height. Good. And let's take it down into a side angle pose. And then coming back up, let's slide it back. Looking down this time. And then coming forward, straighten that leg and come into Trikonasana, triangle pose. And then up, back to center. Let's do the other side, turning the toes, coming into your warrior. Looking out over your front fingertips, keep the back arm as high as the front. Good. Taking it forward into the side angle. And for the side angle, you can bring your arm here, or you can bring it to the floor or to your leg, whatever works for you. You can even take it, bring the forearm, the wrist actually, to the thigh, and take the elbow back to keep the shoulder back in this pose. Good. And then coming up, slide the hand back down the leg. And let's look down. And then triangle pose. And if you like, you can look up here. Good. And back to center. Good. And then we'll come back to center. Take a deep breath. And I'll say my prayers. And you can say them with me if you like. Connecting in with the Mother Earth. Oh, great Mother, I release all my weight to you now, that you may hold me in your higher power and guide me with your greater wisdom, that my life may be used to serve my divine purpose and pleasure. Thank you for your earthly support and guidance. I give thanks, I give thanks, I give thanks. Sun brother, thank you for your support of solar energy, warmth, and light. Please replenish me with your energy and guide me by your light. I give thanks, I give thanks, I give thanks. Grandmother Ocean, thank you for your healing, nourishing, inspiring waters. Please help me release anything I no longer need, anything that no longer serves me. To heal, to be nourished, and to be inspired. I give thanks, I give thanks. I give thanks. And blessed be. Namaste. Have a beautiful day. Much love.